Welcome to the Whale Pumps YouTube channel. Today I'll be presenting the new Whale Instant Match Premium Mixer Kit. This kit has been specifically designed for mixer showers. The key advantages of the new kit are both the pump and transformer are already pre-mounted, making it faster and easier to install. The anti-vibration feet are also pre-mounted to the pump, making it quieter in operation. When installing the pump, please use the Flexi Hoses provided on both the inlet and outlet, and the Flexi Hoses can be used in a horizontal position and also used to form a radius bend. Please ensure that you only use formed bends under the floor and above the floor. 90-degree bends are not permitted in any part of the installation. The transformer has already been preset to position number 2, which is for a seeker sensor. Your overrun can be set to 10, 30 or 60 seconds. The pipework is already been set to 22 millimeters. Please note the pipework from the gully to the inlet for a mixer shower must always be installed in 22 mil. The maximum length of pipework from the gully to the inlet is 2 meters, and the pump is to be installed no more than half a meter off the floor. You have 2 flow regulators which are included as part of the Whale kit. Please insert these flow regulators if the flow rate of the shower is more than 12 litres of water a minute, and in the next caption you will see the correct way of insertion. No inserts or stem elbows are to be used in any part of the installation. The flow sensors are to be fitted into the connector blocks over here, and please see the next caption for the correct wiring configuration. The flow sensors are maintenance free and self-cleaning, making it easier to maintain. Please install both the pump and flow sensors in an accessible position for future maintenance. Thank you very much for watching our YouTube video today. You'll find a whole host of online features at www.whalepumps.com, or please feel free to contact our technical team